At UEI, our dental assistant program gives you the hands-on skills to step confidently into a career in dental health care. You'll learn how to take and record patient histories, prepare exam rooms, and sterilize instruments. You'll assist chairside during dental procedures, take dental impressions and x-rays, and provide both clinical and administrative support, all while developing strong communication skills with patients and dental teams. Your training includes practicing with dental tools, learning preventive care and treatments, understanding dental anatomy, radiography, and infection control. In your final module, you'll bring everything together during an externship at a local dental office, so you graduate ready to work. Why do students choose UEI's Dental Assistant program? Because they want to help others start an essential career and have support from enrollment to graduation and beyond. Take the first step toward your career in dental healthcare with UEI's Dental Assistant program today.